I too faced the frustrating problem of Fivem graphics mod texture loss and game crashes, and after trying many things, I found several ways to make it right, which I am excited to share with you. This video will show you exactly how to fix graphics mod texture loss and game crash in Fivem, making your game run smoothly again. First, we'll look at updating your graphics drivers. Think of drivers as the instruction manual for your computer's graphics card. If this manual is old, your card might not understand how to draw textures correctly, causing them to disappear or leading to a complete game shutdown. Newer drivers provide clearer, more efficient instructions. Next, we consider verifying your game files. Imagine a recipe with missing ingredients. The final dish won't turn out right. Similarly, if Fivem's game files are damaged or missing, it can't load textures properly or crashes, because it can't find what it needs. This method ensures all game parts are perfect. Then, adjusting your in-game settings is key. Your computer has limits, like how much weight you can lift. If Fivem's graphics settings are too high, your computer gets overloaded, struggling to display everything, causing texture problems or forcing the game to quit. Lowering settings reduces this burden. Finally, reinstalling your graphics mod can solve many issues. Mods are like custom additions, and sometimes they can be faulty or installed incorrectly, clashing with the game itself. A fresh, clean installation ensures the mod works as intended without causing conflicts that lead to texture loss or crashes.